With so many Teslas now on the road, many Tesla owners are finding new and innovative ideas to fully take advantage of their cars, and sleeping in their car is now one of them. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. With Tesla's camp mode feature, having a mattress fully lay out in your car makes this quite an ideal situation for a quick power nap or even a full night's sleep while on a road trip or just for a fun experience in general. Just to give you an idea of what camp mode is in a Tesla, just in case you're not aware, it's when the car's systems like interior lights, climate controls, music, and video stay on when in park. From my experience, this will typically use about 1 to 2 miles of charge per hour depending on the outside climate conditions. This feature will not work if your state of charge is under 20% and will automatically turn off once it hits that 20%. Now that we know what camp mode is, let's talk about this bed here. I was contacted by a website called ForMyTesla.com regarding about an extremely comfortable mattress that folds up and comes with a storage bag. While there are other Tesla mattress products out there, this one by far is the most comfortable. The 6-inch travel sleeper is firm yet very cozy that will not lose its shape and will also regulate airflow for maximum sleeping comfort. When I first laid down on this mattress, it reminded me of my own bed in the house, the Casper Mattress. The top sheet is comprised of a very, very soft fabric, and as you can see here, it has a high density foam when my hand pushes down into it. It came shipped in this vacuum sealed bag, and after cutting open the very edge of the plastic, the bed self-inflated in a matter of minutes. The 3 foldable sections make it very maneuverable and easy to stow at the house with its included zip-up carrying bag. As you can see, I tried a couple of ways to see how well it fit in the trunk with the seats in the upright position. However, the trunk lid would not close no matter which way I had the bag turned. I had to lower both rear seats to fit the mattress in the long way to successfully close the trunk lid. There are, though, a couple recommended ways from their website to fully utilize the space inside your car when traveling. First is to fully lay out the mattress with the seats down, then stow your items on top of the bed, and also in the footwell area when traveling. Second, if you need to use the rear seats, you can fold the mattress into the trunk as you see here, and now you have the entire interior cabin for stowage. Also, don't forget about the stowage compartment under the trunk lid and of course the frunk. Once the mattress was fully inflated, I did find it more of a 2-person job to get the bed inside the Tesla. I had my girlfriend help me pull it into the passenger doors. There are 2 ways to use this travel sleeper. One in the lounge chair position where the mattress leans up against the front seats at a 45-degree angle where you can hang out and relax by using your laptop or iPad for work or even just watch shows on Netflix. I found the shelf on the Model 3 to be nice to set up your device for optimal viewing. We then have the second position where the bed lays nearly flat when both front seats are brought forward for a good sleeping or napping position. There are a couple ways to enter the car with the mattress in place, one of them being through the trunk, but I personally felt the easiest way was to go through the passenger door. Now, I'm 5'7", and it wasn't too bad getting in and out, but I would think for a larger person it may be more challenging, especially when the mattress is in the lounge chair position. Once inside the Tesla, it felt pretty darn roomy. I was expecting to feel claustrophobic and crammed inside, but I was pleasantly surprised at the amount of room. My feet did not touch the edge of the trunk, and overall for one person, it's more than enough room for a person of my size. I asked my girlfriend to get inside too, and surprisingly, it was quite manageable. We found it relaxing just watching Netflix in the lounge chair position with the camp mode enabled. It really felt the same as sitting on our living room couch, to be honest. With the bed in the down position and both of us in there, yeah, it was a little less roomy for sleeping, but I would recommend adding a pillow on each door to close the gap. This makes the mattress feel even larger while also providing a place for your arm to rest. With the Tesla's nice panoramic glass roof, you can see the trees you are parked under or even the night sky. It's just a really cool and fun experience. You may also ask, how can you monitor or change the temperature inside the cabin while laying on the bed? Well, with the Tesla app, simply pull out your phone and change the temperature. I found it ideal to leave it at about 68 degrees as it was just about 83 degrees outside that day. And of course, during the cold winter months, you are definitely going to want to add a comforter to your list. You may also be asking about privacy when you are sleeping or napping. I got my windows ceramic tinted, which for the most part blocks most visibility in the cabin, but if you don't have your windows tinted, I'm sure you could put up a few towels and lock them in the window seam, or even add these window shades for the panoramic sunroof and rear windshield that I found on Amazon. Once you are ready to pack things up, simply pull out the bed from the trunk, fold it into its 3 sections, and pack it into its carrying bag. If you plan on traveling with it, again, leave it laid out to store your items on top or fold it into the back of the trunk without using the carrying case. This was the 6-inch travel sleeper, but it's also available in 4 inches, which may actually give you a little more room on storage when folding up if you are willing to possibly sacrifice a little on comfort. The mattress also comes with 2 Egyptian cotton sheets and 1 standard pillowcase, with the option to purchase more pillows if you so choose. Overall, this is a great option for adding all those looking to camp in their Tesla without having to sacrifice on comfort. I do wish, however, it was a little bit smaller to travel with. Other than that, this accessory will sure bring out the adventurous side of you while also having a little fun with it along the way. The link for this product can be found in the description below, and also be sure to use the promo code EVAN10 to save yourself money on this mattress. If you've enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it, consider clicking that like button and subscribing for more Tesla content in the future. Again, my name is Evan, and I'll catch you all on the next one.